Want to build an extra income stream by selling books on Amazon without writing or designing everything from scratch? KDP Mafia helps you create puzzle books, coloring books, planners, activity books, ebooks, and professional covers in minutes. Choose a promising niche, generate your book, download the files, and upload them to Amazon KDP. Every quality book becomes a digital asset with the potential to generate royalties whenever it sells. Build multiple books, target different niches, and grow your publishing catalog. Without hiring writers, designers, or formatters for every project, no income is guaranteed. Results depend on demand, quality, competition, pricing, and marketing. But while you're waiting, other publishers are already entering the niches you could be targeting. Lock in today's launch price before this offer ends. Click below, get KDP Mafia now, and start building your first publishing asset today.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to build a successful Amazon KDP business but gave up because creating just one book took hours? Or even days? What if there was an AI-powered platform that could help you discover profitable niches? Create puzzle books, Sudoku books, coloring books, planners, journals, activity books, generate professional covers, optimize your Amazon listings, and prepare everything for publishing, all from one easy-to-use dashboard? Well, in today's video, I'll be reviewing KDP Mafia to find out whether it's genuinely worth your investment or just another overhyped AI tool. But before we get started, I have something special for you. If you decide to purchase KDP Mafia using the first link in the description, you'll receive 6 exclusive bonuses from me absolutely free. In addition to all the vendor bonuses, here's what you'll get. Bonus number 1, 200 plus profitable KDP niches. Pack bonus number 2, Amazon KDP complete video course. Bonus number 3, copywriting. Automator. Bonus number 4, list building course. Bonus number 5, top 20 AI tools, bundle 2026. Bonus number 6, all exclusive vendor bonuses. These bonuses are designed to help you learn Amazon KDP faster, discover profitable niches, improve your marketing skills, and get even more value from your purchase. So if you're planning to grab KDP Mafia, make sure you use my link below to claim all of these bonuses at no extra cost. Also, if you're new here, my name is Tahir, and on this channel I regularly review the latest AI software, online business tools, affiliate marketing products, and digital marketing solutions, giving you honest reviews to help you make better buying decisions. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future reviews. Now, with that said, let's dive in and see demo video exactly what KDP Mafia has to offer. Pricing at the time of recording, KDP Mafia is available at a special launch price. As with most Launchpad products, that introductory pricing is expected to increase after the launch period ends. So, if you're interested, it's worth checking the current offer while it's still available. My exclusive bonuses. If you purchase KDP Mafia through the first link in my description, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus package, including Amazon KDP Complete Video Course, 200 plus profitable KDP Niches Pack, AI Marketing Guide, Top 20 AI Tools Bundle 2026. All vendor bonuses, just make sure you use my link below so you qualify. So, is KDP Mafia worth it? If you're looking for one platform that helps streamline the process of creating and preparing Amazon KDP books, then KDP Mafia offers an interesting collection of tools in one place. I like the fact that it combines niche research, multiple book generators, AI cover creation, listing optimization, and publish-ready packaging into a single workflow. That said, remember that no software guarantees success. Your results will depend on your niche selection, the quality of your books, pricing, competition, and the effort you put into your publishing business. Overall, if your goal is to save time and simplify your KDP workflow, KDP Mafia is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell for more AI software reviews. And if you want to grab KDP Mafia, along with my exclusive bonuses, simply click the first link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. These bonuses are designed to help you learn Amazon KDP faster, discover profitable niches, improve your marketing skills, and get even more value from your purchase. So, if you're planning to grab KDP Mafia, make sure you use my link below to claim all of these bonuses at no extra cost. Also, if you're new here, my name is Tahir, and on this channel I regularly review the latest AI software, online business tools, affiliate marketing products, and digital marketing solutions, giving you honest reviews to help you make better buying decisions. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future reviews. Now, with that said, let's dive in and see demo video exactly what KDP Mafia has to offer.